As a man, being healthy is worth its weight in gold. You want to be here on Earth for a very long time, right? You want to be there for your wife and your kids, right? Think about it. Your kids look up to you, and your wife needs you. When you live, it's not just for you, it's for them too. So get up and do something. Train hard, lift heavy, move your body, get sunlight, go out and touch some grass, eat healthy. Men, you are always training, and it never stops. You'll be training till the day that they put you in the dirt. So make it so you are around longer and harder to get to that point. Adapt, live, and love. Help the ones that need you. Teach the ones that are willing to learn. Lead by example and have some common sense. Be a dangerous man. Be the man that no one wants to mess with. But do it in love and kindness. Be strong-willed, strong-minded, and strong in body. A true man isn't allowed to quit or give up. He adapts and moves on. If he needs help, it's okay. As iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. If you are an older man, it's your job to teach the younger men. It's okay not to know everything. I have to sometimes take my own advice. In this channel, I want to create an environment for men to seek guidance, especially the next generations to come. Leave comments, and I'm sure someone can help someone else just by experience and life lessons. Like this video so it goes to who needs it the most. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to the first milestone at 50 subscribers so I can go live and have these conversations about men's topics. And if you've made it this far, let me know some topics you would like to hear about. By the way, this high-protein pancake recipe is so good. I'll put the recipe in the description below. Each pancake has 13 grams of protein at 150 calories. This batch made a total of 5 pancakes, so if you're on a bulk, it's a good clean meal with good macros. And as always, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. It's much appreciated. It would get me to my goals. Now check this out.